welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to split travel expenses in any currency on Revolut. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into that video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Revolut website or Revolut app. So once you simply open it, all you gotta do is simply use the group build feature to create a group. Now you need to go to payments and simply create a new group. You can simply tap on the plus icon and create so. After this, you can name the group, like give the name of a trip or something, and then optionally choose a currency for the group. You can now add members and add your expenses. And now after you have done everything, you can adjust your splits. For each bill, you can set how the cost is divided. You can split it entirely or manually adjust the amount for each person. Once the expenses are added, the group members will be notified of their share. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.